Good morning students, this is Neha, your mathematics teacher. So today we are going to study about the another type of quadrilateral, that is parallelogram. So parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equals to each other and parallel to each other. Means suppose if AB is X and AD is Y, and I am saying that ABCD is a parallelogram, that means its opposite sides are equal and parallel. That means CD is also X because CD is opposite to AB, and CB is Y because CB is opposite to AD. So ABCD is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other. So how it is different from a rectangle? Look here. So here is a rectangle. How parallelogram is different from the rectangle? So you can see that in the rectangle, the angles are of 90 degree. All the four angles are of 90 degree and opposite sides are equal and parallel. But in the parallelogram, the angles are not 90 degree. You can see that. So the basic difference between the parallelogram and the rectangle is that in the rectangle the angles are of 90 degree, while in the case of parallelogram angles need not to be a 90 degree. So now let us just discuss how we can find out its perimeter. So first of all, what is the meaning of a perimeter? So perimeter of any quadrilateral means total length around a closed figure. Total length around a closed figure. So if we want to find out the perimeter of any quadrilateral, what we have to do? We have to sum the length of all sides of a closed figure. So perimeter of this parallelogram ABCD is equals to sum of lengths of all sides of A, B, C, D. So let us just add them. So x plus y plus x plus y. These are the sides, and if we have to find out the perimeter, so just add them. So it will be x plus y plus x plus y. Now add the like terms, x and x, 2x, y and y, 2y. Now take 2 common. So it will be x plus y. So perimeter of any parallelogram is equals to 2 into sum of the adjacent sides. Now what about the area of the parallelogram? So what is the meaning of area? So area of any quadrilateral means total region enclosed by the plane figure. Total region enclosed by the plane figure. Okay, so let us just derive. So first of all, for finding out the area of the parallelogram, we need to find out the distance between the two opposite sides. So let us just say that the distance between them, let us just draw a perpendicular. Here it is a perpendicular. Let's the distance between them is h. Now if you want to find out the area of this parallelogram, now let us just divide it by the diagonal BD. So you can see that we have divided the parallelogram ABCD into the triangle ABD, that is first, and the triangle BCD, that is second. Means area of parallelogram ABCD is equals to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. So if we can compute the area of these two triangles and just add them, we can find out the area of this parallelogram. So let us just do it. So see that for the triangle ABD, just forget this, see this triangle ABD. We want to compute its area. What is the area of triangle? Area of triangle is half into base into height. So in this triangle, what is base? In triangle ABD, base is x. So half into base is x. Now what is height? So for finding out the height, let us just draw the perpendicular from this vertex D to its opposite side, that is AB. So now see that this is also the distance between the two parallel sides and this is also the distance between the two parallel sides. So if it is h, then it is also h. So height in this triangle is, see this triangle ABD, base is x, height is h. So its area will be half into x into h. So area of triangle ABD is half into x into h. Now what about the triangle BCD? Now let's just forget this lower triangle and see this triangle only. What is triangle BCD? Base is x and height, for finding height, let us just draw the perpendicular distance. Here it is also h because the distance between the parallel sides always remains same. Agar ye h hai, it will also be h and it will also be h. Now see this triangle BCD. For this triangle, area will be half into base into height. Base is x, height is h. So its area will be half into base into height, right? So you can see that they are like terms, so we can add them. So half plus half. So 2 into 1 by 2 into x into h. 2 will be cancelled out, so it will be x into h. That means the area of the parallelogram ABCD is x into h, means base into height. So if we want to compute the area of any parallelogram, and if we know about the base and if we know about the height, we have to just multiply them and we can get the area of the parallelogram. Okay, so just try to solve the questions related to the perimeter of the parallelogram and area of the parallelogram. We have done the derivations, so I hope you know how to compute the area of any parallelogram. So try the questions, and if you face any difficulty, you can contact